name is Becky. I'm a nurse navigator here at Olympia Orthopaedic Associates. I am a resource to our patients who go through our Outpatient Total Joint program. I can educate and be their resource before and after surgery if they have questions, concerns. So the process for a patient when they come in for an outpatient total joint replacement is they go through a bunch of educational pieces prior to surgery. One piece of that is that they go through a prehab. Prehab consists of a visit with a physical therapist. During that visit, the physical therapist does an assessment of their home situation and make sure that they are appropriate to go home right after their surgery. They also teach the patient what exercise program they're going to be going through, how many physical therapy visits they'll need after surgery. They talk about driving, things like that. A lot of patients have a lot of questions about those sorts of things. In addition to that, we do an outpatient joint class. During that class, we go over a lot more of the nursing information. So we go over pain management, we go over medications, we go over a lot of the equipment needs as well. But then this is more for post-op, like how is your caregiver going to care for you at home following your surgery?